Hi guys, now I'm gonna be showing you how to create a new Airbnb listing. It's actually pretty easy and can be done in a few simple steps. We are not gonna finish the listing, we are just gonna create a bare bone listing, and then we are gonna gradually work on it, and I will go through all the processes and show you how I complete the listing. Today we're just gonna create a minimalistic listing. One thing to keep in mind before you create a listing is that new listings have a boost from Airbnb. So if your apartment is not ready or your listing description is not ready, you should probably hold off until you have everything ready before creating the listing. You don't want to create a listing and let it sit for like 3 months and then finishing up and let it go live. So um, that's something to keep in mind. Once you finish your listing, it actually takes a couple days for it to show up on Airbnb and be bookable by the guests. Okay, let's get started. You can see a new listing page. Um, you can get here by going to the menu, listings, and on top right corner, there should be a place where you can create a new listing. So here I'm creating a new listing. Okay, let's get started. So this is an apartment. An entire place. I will be entering the address, but I will skip this section. Be careful with the address. Make sure you enter a correct address because uh, otherwise it's a little bit hard to change it. Change it after you get a reservation. You have to reach out to the support and they have to change it for you. So make sure you get the correct address and correct location on your listing. At this point, I've inputted the address and also made sure that I selected the correct location. So I dropped the pin at the correct location. So now we are gonna continue the rest of the setup. Um, so this apartment has maximum 3 guests, 1 bedroom apartment, 2 beds. There is a queen bed and there's also like a couch bed and there's also bathroom. So now we have to add the amenities. There is a yard parking, so one thing to pay attention to, it's very important to fill out the amenities carefully because more amenities you have, better your search results and ranking in your Airbnb search will be. But you also need to keep in mind that you can't lie on these amenities. Also, this is something that you should be keeping in mind before designing your place to have as many amenities as possible. Like dedicated workspace is a must, Wi-Fi is a must, washer is a great thing for a long-term stays, air conditioning is a must, kitchen, things like that. Down here you can see some safety stuff, so it's good to have all of this. I think we have to still add the first aid kit as well, but we'll do this. For now, this is okay. Next section is the photos. So by the time you are making the listing, you should at least have few photos. So here, choose at least 5 photos. Usually for a 1 bedroom apartment, you need about 25 photos. In this case, I'm using some dummy photos for now, but that's fine. We can always change them later. Okay, my uploads failed, and I think this is because they come in iPhone format, which is HEIC, hike format. So I don't think Airbnb supports that specific format. So I have to change my photos to JPEG before I can upload those. Okay, I have quickly uploaded the photos to Lightroom Classic and exported them as JPEG. So here is a second try. And now we can see that the photos actually uploaded successfully. Well, I usually don't trust their arrangements, but uh, we can try this. Yeah, definitely don't trust their arrangements, but here, how do I bring this back? Hmm. Well, I was too slow to undo it, so I'll fix it manually later. So at this point, you should also have the apartment title ready. So we are gonna give it the title to this apartment. Okay, number of characters in the title were 50 before. Now apparently they made it 32. So I need to make my title shorter. Okay, we'll leave this for now and we'll change it later. This apartment is family friendly and is spacious. We'll leave this for now and we'll change this later. For this apartment, the average price would be maybe $35-40. So you generally want to input high price here and until you have figured out your pricing strategy. So you can put 50 so you don't get a sudden booking. So that's what we are going to do. Get booked faster. Offer 20% off for first three guests. You should uncheck this. This is important to uncheck because you don't get any benefit if people book far in the future. So we will offer custom discounts for the people who will be booking for next week or so, or next couple days. If you offer this 20%, people might get long reservations far in the future, and they got 20%, and you didn't even get a review from them yet. So there's really no point to do this. You can always offer custom discounts later on. We have security cameras outside. Dangerous animals. We don't have any dangerous animals. And here, congratulations, there is a video from Brian Chesky, CEO of Airbnb. Okay, so now if you go to the menu and the listing details, you should be able to come to this page. And you can see there's a bare minimum done here, but this listing could technically go live tomorrow. So I think people can start booking this tomorrow. So we are going to have videos about each and every section. We're going to go in details how to set up listing details, pricing, availability, policy, and rules for guests. We are also going to talk about inbox and how to manage automated messages and client communications. We are also going to talk about calendar, specifically multi-calendar, and we're going to go into details about the pricing strategies. But in this video, we just wanted to show you how easy it is to start listing that is a bare minimum, and in the future we will work on making it better, improving on it, and make it actually like a proper listing that can compete with others. We will show you in steps how we do all that. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.